Hey, so if tools or modules in Darktable are not working, like sliders not moving, edits not applying, or modules freezing, yeah, don't worry. This is a common issue and usually fixable. In this guide, I'll show you step by step how to fix Darktable tools not working in 2026. First thing, restart Darktable. This clears temporary glitches that can freeze tools. Next, check the module. So make sure the tool you're using is actually turned on. All right, reset the tool settings. I mean, sometimes incorrect settings can make modules stop responding. Now make sure you're in darkroom mode. Most editing tools only work inside darkroom. Next, disable heavy or conflicting modules. So some effects can interfere with other tools. All right, update Darktable. I mean, older versions can have bugs that break tools. And yeah, reset Darktable settings if nothing works. Corrupted configuration files can disable tools. So that's how you fix Darktable tools not working. Once fixed, all your editing tools should respond normally again.